Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of G-Man Fishing. Today's a little bit different kind of video. We're going to do an unboxing video. Delivery truck just got done delivering my package. I've been waiting for this thing for a while, but bam, we got it all wrapped up in some kind of flat wrapping and stuff like that. This is the kayak that I ordered. It's the Old Town Sportsman pedal drive. So we're gonna unbox this, let you guys see what it looks like. First time I get to see it too, so y'all, let's do this. Let's get this thing unpacked and yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off, and then I'm going to open it up, and then I'll turn the camera back on, and you all can see what it looks like, and I can see what it looks like, and everything else. So y'all be ready to see what it looks like. We getting there. We getting there. Oh, we definitely getting there for sure. I'm sure these are some parts I'm going to need eventually, but right now we're just trying to get unpackaged. Yeah. Oh, well, maybe not no parts. Okay, so I've got the seat put in. I've got the control stick thing, remember Bob taken and put in for the rudder. I've got the pedals put in, although I'm probably not going to leave them right there right now because I'm not hauling it, but it's just to show you. Got the seat put in. We can go ahead and have a seat, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to, I can already tell I'm gonna have to move the seat way up because I got short legs. I'm not a very tall man, but I'm just getting ready to put on the thing for the paddle, you know, because you're supposed to have a paddle on here with you, so that way, you know, if my operational pedal drive decides it don't want to work, I'll be able to you know, still row myself home, or to shore anyways. So yeah, additional storage right here. This thing comes out, see, additional storage here, which is cool. I'm gonna have to show you the pedal drive when I'm out at the lake or the river. Well, probably not going to use it on the river, but definitely on lakes. Got additional storage up here. You can put stuff in. See? Even came with a little, I have no clue what it is, but it's there. So tonight when I go to town, I get me a couple of different rod holders for. What is up? So this is part of the kayak thing. Sorry y'all, but some of the audio was corrupted, didn't really record on some of my recording of the video. So, you know, my overall thoughts, you know, it's a really good product. I really like it. I'm not by any means what do they call that when somebody comes along? Anyways, where they come along and they give you money to advertise their stuff. I'm not that. So they're not paying me to say something good about it. I've only used it once. My daughter's used it. Adrian's used it. They all like it just fine. So they're on this video too. But because some of the sound was all messed up, couldn't hear what I was saying and stuff. So that's why I'm shooting this little video to say, hey, I really like the product. So far, as you know, is really good. But I can't say that it's the best because I haven't tried it out that much. But hey, I'm giving it a thumbs up because I really think that it's a really nice kayak. And you know, over this next year, I'm going to try it out. Don't know how many videos I'm going to shoot with it, but you know, I'm going to put out the content with it when I get a chance. I am primarily a bank fisherman. I do some fishing out of boats, some fishing, wading. So, but as far as I can tell, Old Town's got a really good kayak out there. I'm going to enjoy it. My daughter's going to enjoy it. Those who are fishing with me who want to try it are going to enjoy it. So, this next year, it's just going to be one of those years where I try it out, really decide on if it's worth it. Already I can tell you it's worth the money. So, maybe someday I'll get a sponsorship and I can get a 10-foot kayak. But right now I've got the 13 4-inch big water kayak, Sportsman, the 132. And so far I am loving it. So, there you go. And just watch the whole video. That's all I can say. All right. First fish off the kayak. Oh, it's a big old crappie. Oh, it's a big old crappie. Oh. Come here, buddy. Ooh, look at that slab. Oh my goodness. Look at that slab. Oh my goodness. Check that out, y'all. Well, that one I'm taking home. I'm going to eat that one. I'm sorry, I can't give away crappie. That big anyways. He ate the brown leech. All right. I'll take it. Heck yeah. First one off the Old Town. Already making fishing life easy. I didn't bring nothing to put him in, but I'm going to just sit him right there on the porch, and I'm going to get back in the strike zone and see if I can't get another one. Now what I was doing was I was using my fly. I'm using a streamer and a brown leech color, what I'm doing here. And I was just fishing for trout, and that crappie decided he wanted to eat that brown leech. So, and that's like the biggest one I've seen caught in Oregon. I've caught in crappie in Oregon before, but never anything that size. But I don't have a range finder or depth finder or fish finder or any of that stuff. I just go off of how I've done fishing from the bank. And so hey, let's see if we can't get a few more of them. Sweet, yes.
Hey guys, thrilled up. So, it's my turn in the kayak. Dad and Adrian are over there. I am currently just sitting right here in this little area. And what I have out there is, a bobber and a worm. Like, fishing 4 feet deep. Pretty much just testing it out. So far it's been pretty nice. So if I get something, I'll let you guys know. So, later.
Out here at Prineville, trying G-Man's new kayak out. It's pretty sweet. This thing moves. Wasn't locked. There we go.